this is nothing. Attwood machine means we are not going to study the integrated chip circuit. It is simply simple pulley system. Okay. So let me take this Attwood machine. Okay, so let us so here what you are observing, few things are important here. First point we should know that the pulley is light or massless. Okay, if the pulley possesses some finite mass, then this will become a question from rotational mechanics. Okay, we will solve that in rotational mechanics also when the pulley is having finite mass, but not now. Second, the rope is also massless or very light. Okay, now correct. So before proceeding my discussion further, I just want to go back little. Yeah, so this is a theory we were developing. I hope you remember. Correct, no? So here I'm just putting one rider. In case the rope is very light in the sense the rope doesn't possess any finite mass. So then in that case, tension at point P, look at the diagram, tension at point P, tension at point C or tension at point Q, all are equal to mg only. If the rope is not having any mass, tension at any point on the rope is constant and that is going to be mg, right? So what can I write? That tension at point P is equal to tension at point C is equal to tension at point Q. This is equal to mg. So for a light rope, what can I write? Tension remains constant throughout the length of the rope. Okay, correct now? If you have any problem, just substitute the rope with our life. In our life, tension is constant. So in case of light rope, also tension is constant. Yes, Praneeth?
Sir, actually tension is defined into two types, no sir? You did not discuss about it.
Cha, for the first time I am hearing, tell me what are they?
Ideal and non-ideal will be having, no sir?
In which particular PhD books you have read that?
Not PhD books, sir, but I read it from a few YouTube channels, sir.
Then either you ask that YouTube channel creator to delete that video, or if you have read in any book, tear off the page and throw it away. There is only one tension. Okay? Chalo.
No, it's like ideal string and non-ideal string,
So
sir.
I hope you are seeing here. Now I am writing in clear English. If the rope is very
Yes,
light
sir.
or massless.
Okay, sir. But you did not write ideal string, that's why I could not understand, sir.
I do not like names. I always like the things actually. Knowing the name is not important.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So next, coming back to the topic. So rope is massless. So rope is massless in the sense throughout the rope tension going to remain same. We have just studied. So here if it is a T, here also it is T. Okay, clear? Fine. So suppose this is the ceiling from which it is hanging. So can I write with your humble permission, tension here is 2T? Is it okay now? Yeah, fine. Now I am considering, let us consider M1 greater than M2. Shutik?
Sir, our tension is 2D, sir.
You just try to imagine that there is a point object here. So you are applying T, then again T. So how much net force is acting onto it?
2T.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear? Yeah. Yes, Yogananda?
The tension created due to M1 and M2 are equal.
Tension will be same. I told na. In a rope, tension has to be same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right?
In every case, sir, it is.
In case of light ropes, Yogananda. In case of light ropes and when the pulley is also right. Because when we study the case of rotation, when the pulley will have some mass, then tension on the left and right string will be different. But as of now, tension is same on both sides. Okay?
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Akash ji,
सर जो आपने टेंशन का डायरेक्शन बनाया है ऊपर की तरफ वो नीचे होना चाहिए ना क्योंकि पुली के नीचे है तो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन मतलब उसका अपोजिट जाएगा ना टूटी तो
यार तुम लोग हमेशा मेरा कंसेप्ट को क्यों चैलेंज करते हो भाई? मैं ठीक ठाक जानता हूँ भाई.
नो सर मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ मेरे को डाउट है
सुन ध्यान से, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, आराम से सुन. When I am sitting on this block, so from where you are observing? From the block you are observing. So from the block, tension is acting upward.
यस सर
समझा? अगर तू यहाँ पे पुली पे बैठ गया
हाँ यस सर
तो ये टेंशन किधर दिखेगा?
नीचे
बस. Why I am showing it upward? Because I want to write equation of motion for the block, not for the pulley.
ओके सर
अभी क्लियर हो गया एकदम?
यस सर
बिल्कुल. चलो,
थैंक यू सर
most welcome. Next, if I consider that M1 is greater than M2 and let us also consider that the rope never becomes slack. The rope is always taut, right? It is not slack. Chandra?
Meaning of slack, sir.
Slack means this is slack.
Slack.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Fine. Now, if M1 is greater than M2, you look at these two diagrams, all of you. Now, full concentration, please. No more question. Listen to me carefully. Just concentrate on these two diagrams. Achha. If M1 is greater than M2, what your intuition say? In which direction it will accelerate? M1 will go down and M2 will move up. Correct only, no, right? So if this acceleration is A, this is also A. Correct? So this is the only one common sense we can use. Correct? Although that famous Einstein quote you remembered, na? Two things are there. Physics violates common sense. And second, common sense is a collection of prejudices by the age of 18. So none of you are 18 yet, so nobody has common sense. I did not say, Einstein said. So M1 is coming down with A, M2 is moving up with A. So in this particular diagram for M1, you tell me which force is greater. Is it M1G or T? Downward force is greater, no? M1G is greater than T. For M2, which force is greater? T. So T is greater than M2G. Correct? Acha, we have a very elegant form of equation given by the legend Newton. That is F net is equal to mass into acceleration. Correct, no? So that is F net. See, tell me what I can write for M1. Who will tell me what is the net force for M1? Net force for M1. Can I write this? Right? Okay, good. Very good. This is equal to M1 into A. Question number 1. All right. Fine. For M2, what is the equation of motion? Tell me. Net force is how much? No, madam, not M2G minus T. Ah, right. It is moving up. So T minus M2G is equal to M2 into A. That is equation number 2. Chandra, बोल क्या डाउट है?
I will lower hand, sir.
परमानेंटली डिलीट कर दो उस बटन को. ओके, क्लियर ना? अच्छा, do 1 plus 2. You will have M1 minus M2 into G is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. So A is equal to how much? M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. Correct? Is that okay? Fine. From 1, if you substitute A, I'm not doing the calculation, I'm writing directly. T will be coming to M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. Okay, na? Clear? This is easy stuff only, not difficult one. Yogananda, want to tell something?
Sir, forgot to lower my hand. Sorry.
Okay, bro, no issue. Example 1, simplest example we are taking. Let's see who can do it the quickest. Special prize, Kacha Mango Bite. Puskar is laughing. How much Kacha Mango Bite is costing nowadays? 1 rupee, na? Or 50 paisa? Do you know one thing? In my childhood, actually, I was in still primary school, I think, class 3, 4. You will be laughing after hearing that. At that time, we ate ice cream of rupees 25 paisa. Each one used to cost 25 paisa. And that too milk ice cream. That was a costly one. I have had with 10 paisa also. Those days were good only, na? Without amenities, hassle-free life. अभी का देखो, साला गर्मी है, गर्मी से बचने के लिए एसी खरीदो. जब ठंडा हो गया, साला ठंड से बचने के लिए रूम हीटर खरीदो. पता नहीं यार, ऐसा दिन आ जाएगा देखना यार, जब जिंदगी जीने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ लगाना पड़ेगा। बोला नहीं, ऐसे सांस लेने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ लगा दे भाई। 2 kg and this is, let us say, 5 kg. Wait, if the system is released from rest, find A and T. Do it quickly. I will not keep this in lecture note actually, I will erase it. Nonsense question. आकाश भाई,
सर भूल गया हाथ में।
तेरा कैमरा लग गया? ऋषिकेश,
Sir, scroll up, sir.
okay?
Somewhat more, sir.
Yes, okay now? Yeah, Dinesh, fine. Okay, right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Right. 1 kacha mango bite to everyone. When you come to the campus, पुष्कर अभी तक नहीं हुआ क्या बे? अच्छा, हाथ उठाया है। हाँ बोल।
Sir, acceleration 30/7.
चल, गलत आंसर है, कैसे आ सकता है, बोल।
Sir, 3/7 into G, sir.
हाँ ठीक है, वही सही आंसर है।
Sir, चॉकलेट नहीं खाता सर मैं, दूसरा कुछ तो।
बूस्ट पी ले, बॉर्नविटा चलेगा, बॉर्नविटा।
सर दूध नहीं पीता सर।
तू तो अभी सेरेलैक का जमाने में है भाई। चलो नेक्स्ट
चाय
एग्जाम।
पी।
चाय पीता है? हाँ, चाय का दीवाना तो हम भी है। चलो, नाउ आई एम जस्ट ट्यूनिंग द क्वेश्चन अ लिटिल बिट, ओनली अ लिटिल बिट मॉडिफिकेशन, एंड सी हाउ मेनी विल गिव मी द रॉन्ग आंसर कॉन्फिडेंटली। So this is 3 kg. अरे ये लाइन नहीं बन रहा है यार। Let us say this is 4 kg. Same thing, if the system is released from rest, then find A and T. There is no hurry at all. Think patiently and then answer. Smooth surface only. There is no rough surface concept. Smooth. All surface is smooth. Yes, Aditya?
No, sir, I forgot to lower my hand, sir.
Okay. Mr. Jaganmohan Rao?
Sir, acceleration is 70.
Acceleration is?
70. Yes, sir.
No, sir. Manish?
Sir, there is no tension force for the 3 kgs block, no, sir.
100% tension will be there, yaar.
Sir, it is on a plane, no, sir. It is not
Then what?
hanging, no, sir.
But this block is hanging, na? So it will try to pull it on this side, na?
Okay, sir.
This block will try to move in this direction and it will pull it in the forward direction.
Okay, sir.
So tension will be there. Okay. इसे पुष्कर काले?
सर जी नहीं लगेगा क्या इस पे?
हाँ बिल्कुल लगेगा।
तो फिर एक्सेलरेशन 10/7 आएगा सर।
हाँ, गलती कर दिया बाबूआ। वही ट्रैप था, उधर में पैर खिसल ली। सोचो, स्नेहिता मैडम చెప్పండి.
Sir, acceleration p/7.
Acceleration is
Acceleration 4/7.
4g/7.
Hello.
Snehita, tell me. Hello. Oh, somehow I'm not getting. If it is 4g/7, you got the correct answer only.
Hello, sir.
हाँ, I can hear you. Tell me. Oh. Okay, chalo. Let us solve. See, downward force is how much? All hands down. Downward force is 4g. Here tension is T. Here also tension is T. For this, weight is vertically downward, no? So no effect. So if I write the equation for 4g, equation is 4g minus T is equal to 4a. This is equation number 1. If I write the equation for 3 kg, equation is T is equal to 3 into a. That is equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. How much you are getting? You are getting 7a is equal to 4g. So a is equal to 4g/7. Then how much is T? T is equal to 12g/7 Newton. Right? Did you understand? Yes. Okay. Harshit?
Sir, one is call up, sir.
This much?
Sir, again, right.
Okay.
Sir, somewhat right, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, now go down, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Snehita, tell me.
Because of poor network connectivity, I was unable to say answer, sir.
I got you. I got you.
40/7
I
and
got you.
120/7.
I got you. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, congratulations. 2 kacha mango bite. उसका सारे काउंट करके रखना, नहीं तो फिर मैं भूल जाऊंगा कितना देना है। चलो जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। चले भाई लोग, सॉल्व दिस वन। Small a Monte 3 kg, capital M is 2 kg, theta is equal to 37 degree. Same question. If the system is released from rest, then find A and T. Akash,
Sir, A is 3G by 5 and T is 6G by 5.
okay, we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Atik, very good, excellent, Babu. Mr. Rahul Rao,
Hello, sir.
yeah,
Sir, A is equal to 3G by 5.
okay. Inka,
Sir, and T is equal to 6G by 5.
okay, we'll check. Aditya,
Sir, A is equals to 3G by 5 and T is equals to 6G by 5.
okay, Vignesh Mama,
Same answer, sir.
okay, chalo, let us check. So this one is 3G. Please mute. Someone is on unmute. Please mute yourself. This is T. This is also T. So downward force. Inta. This is 2G sine 37 degree. Okay. So that is 2G into sine 37 is 3 by 5. That is equal to 6G by 5. So let us note down equation for this. If I note down equation for this, what is going to be the equation? For this, it is 3G minus T is equal to 3 into A. This is equation number 1. And if I note down equation for this one, for this block, it is going to be T minus 6G by 5 is equal to 2 into A. This is equation number 2. So if I do 1 plus 2, TT getting cancelled, 3G minus 6G by 5 is equal to 5A. Entachende 15. 9 by 5, no? 9G by 5 is equal to 5A. So this time my mango whites are saved. A is equal to 9G by 25. And from any of the equation you can find the value of T actually. So T will become 2 into 9G by 5 plus 6G by 5. So this is coming to be 18 plus 6, 24G by 5. This is the T value. Okay. Yes, Mr. Rahul Rao.
Sir, the theta is applicable for only one block only, sir.
Yes, only one block. The block which is residing on the surface for that one only. Pushkar bol.
सर थोड़ा ऊपर लो सर,
रुक.
थोड़ा सा, बस थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं.
Okay.
हाँ सर.
Yes.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
पक्का ना?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, चलो लास्ट एग्जांपल और नहीं करेंगे, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. सो नाउ एग्जांपल 3. I hope everyone will solve this one. Chalo, do it. Snehita?
Sir, and before problem that is 90 by 25, sir.
Which one? 90 by 25. So, acha, this one is 25. Calculation. Publisher is not responsible for printing mistake. So, this is 25, 5, 30, 18, 48. Okay. Chalo, solve this one. Same thing only, no? Downward force is 2 mg, the tension T, here tension T, in this direction mg sine, Hatik, very good, excellent, mg by 2. Okay, fine, I know everyone has solved, all hands down. So equation for this, it is going to be 2 mg minus T is equal to 2m into A for this, T minus mg by 2 is equal to m into A. So you take this as equation number 1 and you take this as equation number 2. Simply do 1 plus 2. So if you do 1 plus 2, T is getting cancelled. So it is 3 mg by 2 is equal to 3 ma. So simply A is coming to be g by 2. Okay now for everyone? Right? And T will be coming to 2 mg minus 2m into g by 2. So this is 2 mg minus mg. So T is equal to mg. That's it. Yes, Rahul, tell me.
Sir, same answer, sir. I also got it.
Okay, sir. Congratulations. Shruti,
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I got the answer, but I have one doubt, sir.
yeah, tell
So
me.
why we should take only x component in that inclined plane, sir? Why don't we take y component, sir?
I'm not taking x component. See, the block will move along the inclined plane, na?
Okay, sir. It is not applying force in that y axis, so
But it is applying force in the y-axis. Let us say this is mg cos theta.
but
And-
it is not dragging along y axis.
Yeah. This is n. So normal reaction is balanced by mg cos theta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all right, no? Clear. So now I have a last question before packing up for today. Last question is that in all three previous cases, find the force applied on the clamp of the pulley. मतलब ये जो पुली क्लैंप किया गया है ना, what is the force acting on that clamp in every case, in this case as well as in the first case? Who can solve? Let us see who can solve. Pushkar Baba, bol.
सर कैंपस के फूड के बारे में बताओ ना कुछ।
कैंपस का फूड बहुत सही है भाई। सैटरडे में मैं फूड खाता था। सैटरडे में थोड़ा लसम वसम बनता था, उसमें चटनी पापड़ वगैरह आते थे। ठीक है, तो मैं महीने में एक बार खाता था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था।
सर रोज खाने के लिए?
इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते। शशि,
Sir, in example 3 answer is root 3 mg, sir.
okay, fine, will do. See, think about the pulley here. This is force T. This is also force T. This angle is equal to 60 degree. This is 30, so that angle will become 60 degree. Okay. Okay. भाई two forces are acting, angle between 60 degree. यार resultant force कितना होगा भाई? You have to find out the resultant force. So T resultant is equal to root under of T square plus T square plus 2T square cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is half, so it is coming simply root 3 into T. T already you got, so this is root 3 mg. Done. So force applied on the clamp is, so F clamp is equal to root 3 mg. Idea clear, G? Fine. Yes, Shashi?
I have a general doubt, sir. In all these cases, the pulley is massless, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
If this much force is acting on the pulley, root 3 mg force is acting on the pulley, nothing will happen to that.
Obviously, something will happen, but these are all idealistic cases.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Rahul sir.
Sir, send PDF, sir, please.
Huh?
Sir, send PDF of
PDF. Okay, fine. Next, this one. Jaldi bolo. Idi tension T. Here also tension T. Angle enta 53 degree. This is 53 degree. So find T resultant. So T resultant is equal to root under of T square plus T square plus 2T square cos of 53 degree. So that is, think right. Yes. So this is 2T square plus cos 53 is how much? 4 by 5. So 8T square by 5. So this is coming to be root under of 18 by 5 into T. Okay. So final answer will be root under of 18 by 5. T ante 48 G by 25. This much Newton. Okay, no? Right. Snehita madam, tell me.
So that is 3 by so sin 53. I mean cos 53.
Cos 53 is 3 by 5 only. Yes. 6 by 5, no? Yes. So as per that, we have to change our calculation. 6, 5 to 6, 16. Oh. So this result is coming to be finally 16 by 5, 16 by 5. Okay. Next. This is easy. This is very easy. See, 90 degree there. This is T and here also T. So this is the resultant force that will come. So I'll just directly write T resultant here is equal to root 2T. So this root 2 into 12G by 7 Newton. Atik, tell me.
So forgot to lower my hand.
Okay.
Keep I was telling.
Okay. Rahul,
Sir, in previous example, house 53 degrees house, sir.
how 53 degree?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. This is 37. This is 90 degree.
Yes, sir, that's sir.
And how much this one?
That 90 minus 37.
Yes.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay. Everything is fine now. Chalo. That's all for today. Time is already up. Another senior lecture is there. Bye bye.